Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically play Just Dance Now by just using your phone and like a PC or a laptop or whatever other device you have. So I'm just going to click play on my phone here, and I'm just going to enter my dance room number, or you can scan it. I'm just going to type in 1304, joining dance room, and as you can see, it's successfully connected. Then here you're just going to select, I guess, like one that you want to choose, like a dance, like a song, sorry. Let's select, okay, this is very loud. Let's select, for instance, I like to move it. Then you're going to press dance on either your PC or your phone. I'll just select dance. And I'm just going to turn off play with online challengers. And then here you can either press it on your phone or on your PC. And you can make it full screen and just start dancing. Make sure your phone is on the right. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.